to the welding and trade skills area of interest. Here you'll find a variety of skills training tools to help with welding education, as well as electrical wiring and employability. Realityworks has developed the 21st Century Welding Learning Lab. Our 21st Century Welding Lab consists of a virtual reality welding simulator that will allow students to practice SMAW and GMAW welding in a very safe environment. It allows you to save on consumables and gives students immediate feedback on their welds. In addition, we have a live welding guidance system. This allows our students to weld in the booth. Wearing the helmet, there are corrective guides that will give them corrective guidance on their work angle, travel angle, and speed. In addition, we have our Welding Defect Kit. This tool is a great tool for visual inspection and quality. Students are able to match the model by seeing if they have a quality weld or any weld defects. Our kit will help them identify what they're doing wrong and if they need to adjust anything with their technique or their machines. Finally, we have our bend tester. This tool is a great tool that applies to the D11 AWS certified welding code. This allows students to bend their weld to see if they would be passable. In addition to the welding education, we have our trade skills product, which is our electrical wiring kit. This is a great way for students to understand wiring. They're able to practice 15 different exercises, as well as plug that into an assessment box where they can see if they wired that correctly or not. It's a great station in your classroom that can be hands-free for you. We know that many welders and electricians run their own businesses these days, so we have developed an employability skills program to help with those soft skills, to help students understand the importance of soft skills to get and keep a job.